Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Today's video is about how to make a delicious payasam without using condensed milk or milk maid. Before starting, I would like to share one mantra to increase taste of the recipe. Do you know how our mothers and other guys who cook in restaurants, hotel and foodies are always make a tasty food? Because they always use this mantras, which is cook with love and enjoy the cooking experience. Let's start with mantra. To make payasam, I'm using cardamom. If you don't like the flavor, you can skip or reduce it. Take off and of cashew nuts, off and dry grapes, a small amount of hand grinded dry coconut, 1/4 cup of ghee to fry the ingredients, and 100 grams of semiya. First thing first, turn on the stove. Keep it on low flame. Place the pan. Add some ghee. Next, semiya and roast for few seconds. Place it side. Next, we are going to use another pan. Add 2 glasses of milk. Boil well. Once boiled well, add some cardamom. Add semiya. Add 1/3 cup of sugar and give a good mix. You can add sugar as you require. Add 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. It is optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. My last food recipe was keema cake. One of my vegetarian subscribers asked me for a vegetarian dish. Therefore, I dedicate this recipe to all my vegetarian subscribers and viewers. Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk and cook for a few minutes. Let it cook. Let's prepare the dry fruit roast to add. Add some ghee. Cashew nuts and dry grapes. Roast until it turns to golden yellow. Turn off the flame. Add this to payasam. Finally, add some hand grinded dry coconut. Delicious Paal Payasam or Semiya Payasam is ready to serve. Try this recipe at your home. Share your result in comment below. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you.